If your chicken fried steak isn't drowning in rich, peppery white gravy, you're missing the best part, and I'm about to fix that. I'm Johnny Mac, and this is the Sauce and Gravy channel. In this recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a lump-free white gravy using butter, flour, some spices, cream milk, and pepper, just like you'd find in a diner or southern kitchens. You'll first work on that chicken fried steak by dredging it and frying it up. Once you're done frying everything up, reserve 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of the oil. Now to make the white gravy, you have two choices. One, you can use the same pan that you fried everything up in. You can even keep some of the crackling in the bottom if you want. Or two, you can use a new pan. Either way, your southern gravy recipe will be delicious. Add your 1/4 cup of oil to the pan over medium heat. To that, you'll add 1/4 cup or 32 grams of all-purpose flour that's been loaded up with some spices. I like to add onion powder, garlic powder, a dash of paprika, salt, and a touch of black pepper. And as you all know, the great thing about making a homemade gravy is you can make it how you like it. If you'd like to add other herbs and spices, why not? Make it to your taste. And here's a pro tip while making the roux: you don't want it to look like this. It's clumpy. You definitely need to add more fat to it to make it look like wet sand. So I'm going to add an additional 1 tablespoon or 14 grams of butter, unsalted. If you still have some of the oil that you fried everything up in, you can use that. Cook the roux over medium heat, stirring frequently for 2 to 3 minutes. And this would be a perfect time to smash that subscribe button and hit the all notifications bell to stay tuned to the latest and greatest sauce and gravy making tips and techniques. Next step is to add 3 cups or 750 milliliters of milk. Here's a tip for you to keep your peppered white gravy from being lumpy. Add a cool liquid to a hot roux or vice versa. Hot liquid to a cool roux. Lump free every time, guaranteed. Whisk it all together over medium heat. Next up to bat, black pepper. And you can put in as much as you like. And there's a lot of people that ask, why is a white gravy recipe traditionally peppered? The black pepper isn't optional. It balances out the fat and milk. And this is why diner gravy tastes right. And here we go to take this white gravy to the next level. 1/2 cup or 125 milliliters of heavy cream, also called whipping cream or double cream. Stir it in with a spoon, bring it to a simmer over medium heat, and cook it until it's as thick as you like. So you're probably wondering, how thick is thick? One thing to keep in mind is you want it thinner than you think, because once it starts to cool, it'll become really thick. Restaurant secret. So once it coats the back of the spoon, you're pretty much good to go. Give the white gravy a quick taste and add as much salt as you desire. And that's it. Now you have an easy white gravy recipe. A scratch-made Southern classic. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this video recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and hype it up. Until next time, remember it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.